If you're in a hurry, you need Microsoft Word, but you don't have it installed. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Word completely free, directly from your browser, in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, open any web browser on your computer. Now, in the address bar on the top, type word.cloud.microsoft. Press Enter. Now, click Sign in and log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one for free. Here you can choose Yes to skip having to sign in every time. Now, click Blank Document to start a new Word document. And that's it. You can start typing, format your text, add images, and work on your document just like you normally would.